Hello friends, today let us see how to prepare a simple chicken gravy. Things required would be 1 kg of chicken, 300 grams of curd, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 glass of warm water, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt, oil, 1 cup of mint leaves, half cup of coriander leaves. We should slit the chicken in this manner. Now we start adding the contents: curd, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, oil, salt as per our taste. We start mixing all the contents in such a way that the masala is evenly distributed in the chicken. We have mixed all the contents in an even manner. Let's marinate the chicken for 1 hour. The marination is complete. Now we begin to cook. After giving it a quick mix, we close the lid and cook. We have to keep stirring it every now and then. When the oil starts to separate from the chicken, we add 1 glass of warm water. We mix them well. We close the lid and continue to cook in the medium flame. Once we observe the gravy thickens up, we add the mint leaves and coriander leaves. And we cook it for 1 minute. The tasty chicken gravy is ready to be served. You can garnish it with some mint leaves and coriander leaves. Taste the gravy and let us know in the comments below.
Thank you for watching us. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Keep smiling.